everyone, this side Sonia here from Growing Craft, and this video is all about organizing my craft room. So yes, a lot of you have been asking me how do I keep my stuff, how do I keep my craft supplies, and बॉस बहुत बहुत सारा जुगाड़ चाहिए होता है. And of course, like with the number of supplies I have collected, like बहुत सारा है, so I keep on adding a lot and lot of drawers and boxes and organizers. So this is one of them. So yeah, very recently I got this chest of drawer, and trust me, बहुत कलरफुल है ये. I honestly I was not very keen on buying this, but Vanya really loved it. She was like, मम्मा ये तो आपके क्राफ्ट रूम में होना चाहिए. So we got this one and we thought of shooting this video. So more than me, Vanya was excited to have this chest of drawer. It is like so colorful. You will see at the end of the picture that it has a lot of shades and a lot of drawers. So अब बहुत बड़ा बड़ा सामान तो नहीं, like I can keep my stamps, my stencils and a lot of things. Of course, I'll be doing a part 2 video of this too. Now, one of the best thing about having your chest of drawers is that you can label them, you can nicely segregate your supplies. Like if when I'm doing my decoupage and my mixed media art, I need varieties of supplies, right? So it, see, अगर आप paper craft कर रहे हो तो first you will do the cutting, trimming, everything, assembling, and then you will need your supplies. But when you're doing your mixed media and your decoupage art, you need all these supplies together. So having this kind of chest of drawers, or any, I'm not saying particularly this one, but having a chest of drawers really help. So like I said, Vanya was very keen on having this colorful one. So uh, later on I also liked it. I was like, okay, this is looking super cool. So yeah, Vanya was very keen कि जैसा board में दिया हुआ है, we are going to organize in that color shade pattern only. So we were doing that. And trust me, whenever you are doing organizing work in a craft room, involve your kids. They absolutely love it. Like with Vanya, I've realized she loves doing basics of crafting, organizing, labeling, and they really enjoy it. And it's a help. It is a big help. So yeah, this is all what we did in this organizing session. So yeah, I will be doing a part 2 video where I will show you how I like how I really organize this drawer with shades and everything. And yeah, this was a quick glimpse of how I do my craft room work. So whenever it comes to organizing, whenever it comes to labeling and cleaning and everything, I do take Vanya's help. It's a big help and she also enjoys this a lot. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and do await for the part 2 where I will be sharing what I have kept in the drawers. So enjoy crafting. Bye.